friends, we all know that it's it's very interesting and fun to play with the joystick. And even playing the Android games is totally awesome. And if we can play the Android games with joystick, what would you say? So today I will tell you how to make an joystick for your Android phone. This will help you out in gaming. Please watch the full video. Can you see that? A full total control with the joystick. And awesome feeling. Take aluminium foil and wrap it over a wire. Yeah, that wire you can see there. And now merry-go-round of the wire. Yes, bend the wires. Now take two rubber bands and wind them up and see the magic. So our joystick is ready, and here I will show again how to use it. Just now take that joystick and put the phone inside it. Means yes, the rubber band we took, and you can see here how we can use the joystick. It's too fun. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.